direct word order or indirect, you have a great opportunity to check whether you would understand Germans and whether you can also speak German as a native speaker. You probably know that these two sentences have the same meaning. Das Konzert ist am Sonntag and am Sonntag ist das Konzert. But to understand this topic, you should know the basic theory. For example, subject, it can be a noun or pronoun, predicate, verb, and other elements of the sentence like objects, attributes, and adverbial modifier. But in order for us to speak the same language, you should know this difference between direct and indirect word order. If the structure of the sentence looks like this, in the first place subject, followed by predicate, and then other elements of the sentence, for example, das Konzert ist am Sonntag, then it is direct word order. But if one of their other elements is in the first place, followed by predicate, then subject, there can also be other additional elements of the sentence. For example, am Sonntag ist das Konzert. Then it is indirect word order. And don't forget, the meaning remains the same. And now, the most interesting part. Your task is to convert these sentences into direct or indirect word order. How much time do you need? 5 minutes? Then let's go. Ready? Then let's check it. As you see, sentences in green have direct word order and sentences in orange have indirect word order. So, arbeitet heute bis 16 Uhr. Heute arbeitet bis 16 Uhr. Sie fahren am Montag zu den Eltern. Am Montag fahren sie zu den Eltern. Dieses Thema verstehe ich nicht. Ich verstehe dieses Thema nicht. Wir haben jetzt keine Zeit. Jetzt haben wir keine Zeit. Draußen ist es kalt. Es ist kalt draußen. Heute hast du viel zu tun. Du hast heute viel zu tun. I hope your answers are correct and you had much fun. See you next time. Bis zum nächsten Mal. Alles Gute.